Another night at home, and it's getting dreary. You've watched TV till your eyes are bleary. It's the same old thing in the same old way. The more things change, the more they stay. Got a big screen TV, and there's not enough room, and the neighbors complain if you let the sound boom. Maybe 3D glasses will help things a bit. 3D in the 50s was quite a hit. Nah, they didn't work then, and they don't work now. You want something new, but you don't know how. Bummer. What you need is a personal viewing and listening system that fits your needs, fits your wants, and fits your room. Now you've got it. Congratulations, you've entered the future, where advanced optical technology brings you virtual I/O eyeglasses. Now you'll experience things you never saw before, in a way you never thought possible. Watch. A video revolution. Video that's up close and personal. Video and sound from your TV, VCR, CD-ROM, and PC. Video from your electronic games. And better still, video in 3D. Yes, this is iGlasses, the personal display system from Virtual I/O. If you just purchased your iGlasses, you're now part of the future, and you're in for countless hours of fun as soon as you learn to operate the Virtual I/O eyeglasses. So please watch this brief program before you attempt to operate your Virtual I/O personal display system. It will make it easier and safer. The program is divided into 7 segments. Let's get started with segment 1, the gear. Play this tape as you unpack your box, and be prepared to put the tape in pause mode from time to time. If you have your box open, let's make sure everything that's supposed to be here is here. Let's see. Your eyeglasses unit with an opaque visor attached. The visor can be removed if you'd like it better that way. And at the end of the cord, the connector block. Now carefully remove the connector cords. They will have 3 RCA jacks on each end. Each will have a different color. And finally, the AC power transformer and cord. There should also be a user's manual and a registration card. Remember to save your box and packing material to serve as your storage container. Now let's double-check the list. Put this tape on pause while you make sure everything is here. Got it all? Good. We can go on to segment 2, the hookup, setting it all up and getting some pictures and sound. Let's start with the main unit, the eyeglasses. Notice on top, here is the mute button, the volume control, and a switch for standard or 3D play. On the sides, high-fidelity earphones that fit comfortably over your ears. Now watch this. After you do, we'll pause the tape again while you hook up your set. Grab the connector box. Plug the power cord jack into the plug marked Power. Don't plug the adapter into the wall yet. That comes later. Okay, now get your 3-pronged connector cable for video and audio. Plug the video jack into the plug marked Video. Good. Plug the one of the 2 remaining jacks into the plug marked Audio Right, and plug the other one into the plug marked Audio Left. Now the other end goes into your VCR, Laserdisc, or electronic game player. The video cord into Video Out, the one from Audio Right into Right Side Audio Out, and the last one into Left Side Audio Out. Now you're ready to plug the power transformer into an electrical outlet, and we're almost ready to go. Put this tape on pause now and set up your own system as we showed you. Then we'll move along to segment 3. Okay, are you all connected? Now comes the exciting part. We call it flight check because we're almost ready to take off, but still have some things to do. First, let's check a couple of things. Look at the top of the eyeglasses unit. Is there a green or red light illuminated? If not, push the video mute button to turn the eyeglasses on. When the light's on, we're set. Set the side switch on standard play. Later, we'll be looking at some 3D when you switch it to 3D in one of 2 modes. Now, turn down the sound by pushing the volume control here. We don't want to get blasted, do we? Okay, let us show you how to put the glasses on. Then you do it, and you'll be viewing the rest of this program using your eyeglasses. Pull the band over your head. You can tighten the headband by holding the buckle and pulling the band. If you wear glasses, don't worry, the unit fits right over them. Adjust your earphones to your liking, sliding them forward or backward. If you're not seeing pictures and hearing the stereo sound right now, it's probably because the mute button needs to be pressed. There. Now adjust the volume to your comfort level. Okay, you're all set. You'll be seeing 3D movies in a moment, but first, Segment 4, Safety Check. Some real quick safety tips. Don't take your eyeglasses into the shower or tub with you. Never walk, drive, or use the headset in any way that puts you in danger of your surroundings. Remember, although you have good peripheral vision, part of your vision is obscured. You should allow for that. Use your peripheral vision to maintain your frame of reference and eliminate motion sickness if you start to feel queasy. We suggest that younger children not be allowed to operate the virtual I/O eyeglasses unless an adult is close at hand. In short, use common sense when you're operating the unit. Now the most important instruction. Have a super good time. Enjoy yourself and your new way of experiencing electronic playback. If you'll now set your selector switch to 3D, you're ready for Segment 5. How'd you like that? There are 2 more segments to go through. You may view them now or later. Segment 6 will give you maintenance tips for your eyeglasses, and Segment 7 will tell you about the head tracking unit, if you've purchased it as an option. Now Segment 6, some maintenance points. A lint-free cloth is provided. Use it to clean your eyeglasses unit. Avoid coarse cloth or paper. Never immerse the headset under water or other liquids, and avoid using cleaning solutions. You can remove the foam pads for maintenance. Just look for the Velcro attachments. And always keep your unit out of direct sunlight and away from other sources of heat. Once you've enjoyed your headset, if you're like many others, you'll want to move toward the feeling of virtual reality in Segment 7. You will want, or maybe you already have, the head tracker. Our head tracker lets the action move with you as you interact with your computer programs and applications. You will experience yaw, pitch, and roll as you move your head. The picture in your eyeglasses will change accordingly. To attach the head tracker unit, first disconnect the power to the eyeglasses and remove the cable from the headset. Okay, now detach the Velcro straps from the headset and remove the head strap. Now attach the head tracker to the eyeglasses by slipping the Velcro straps in place. As you do this, make sure the flat part of the tracker is facing up on the headset. Locate the knob at the back of the tracker. This knob will adjust the eyeglasses to fit comfortably around your head. Now we'll connect the head tracker cables. Carefully thread the short cable coming out of the head tracker through the plastic guides and plug the cable into the headset where the video cable was attached. Now connect the rectangular plug from the PC interface module to the back of the head tracker. When you've done this, you're ready to hook up the PC interface module. Go to the back of your personal computer. Unhook the monitor cable from the back of your computer and replace it with the 15-pin VGA cable that's supplied with your eyeglasses head tracker. Okay, now connect the audio cable to the audio output on your computer's sound card. Plug the 9-pin cable into the serial port. This connection lets the head tracker communicate with the computer. When you've done this, you're ready to hook up the PC interface module. Plug the 15-pin VGA cable into the spot labeled VGA in. Now take the monitor cable that we unplugged when we disconnected your monitor and plug it into the PC converter box where it says VGA out. This allows you to use both your eyeglasses and your monitor at the same time. Plug the audio cable from the sound card into the PC interface module where it's labeled Audio In. You can still use your multimedia loudspeakers by plugging the speaker cord into the port marked Audio Out on the PC converter box. Finally, take the 9-pin serial cable from your computer and plug it into the port labeled Head Tracker on the PC interface module. You're ready to go! If you need to calibrate your head tracker unit, follow the instructions in the calibration manual which came with the unit. It will be important to use games and computer applications which support your head tracker, so read your game and software packages carefully. We hope you enjoy your virtual I/O eyeglasses and have a great time. Please let us know if we can help you.